Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the new Shoppers Fair supermarket in Harborview. Now Shoppers Fair is the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. They operate the Shoppers Fair brand and the Progressive Food supermarkets, as well as some other supermarkets on the different brands like DNY and JR's. They're all part of the Shoppers Fair group. Now, Shoppers Fair is renovating a lot of its supermarkets. They recently renovated the supermarket the supermarket in Doheny Park, the Doheny Park Plaza. They recently closed the supermarket at Greater Portmore Mall because it's going to be renovated. Major renovation. They're probably going to be building it over. And this one in Harborview is also being renovated. The building that was here was actually demolished and a new structure put up. And in all three cases, it's the entire plaza that's being renovated. The plaza group, Doheny Park Plaza was also renovated when the supermarket was renovated. And with that one, I think they did knock down the building that was there and built a new one. Greater Portmore, they are renovating the entire plaza, and this one, they've renovated the plaza already, or in the process. Most of the shops have been renovated. They're putting in a new entrance, and they're building over the supermarket, as we said. I'm not sure if the Shoppers Fair group owns these plazas, but I know that they are putting up new supermarkets. If anybody knows what the arrangement is, do they rent them? Let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. Because I know in, like, say, Florida, where Publix has a large supermarket chain, they actually own the plazas that the Publix store goes in. And similar with, I think, Burger King in Jamaica, they own most of the plazas, or they used to, where their stores are located. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is now a two-story building, and it should open, the plan is to open by March of this year, March 2025. And they've made some significant progress. The roof is on and looks like they're on track to open. So let us know what you think, guys. Leave your comments in the section below. Now this is a very popular plaza. As you know, you need three things for a popular plaza or a successful plaza in Jamaica. One, a brand name large supermarket. And look at the size of this structure. It's massive. This could be probably the biggest Shoppers Fair supermarket in Jamaica, just by the size of this building. Two, you need to build a plaza in a populated area. And Harborview is a very populated area. And with the access from the highway, even more people can get here now. And three, you need fast food restaurants. And this plaza has Burger King, KFC, Pizza Hut, and Tasty, and some other restaurants. So right there, those names alone, KFC, Burger King, you know this plaza is going to do well. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this development. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.